This is the end of this course. Using a sample strategy and low trading frequency, we doubled our account from $10,000 to $20,000. The takeaway from this course are: do not put real money on the line until you have a plan of action. Secure your positions at the right time without hesitation or emotions. You must put in the time and effort to learn and master a trading strategy, and only one high probability trading strategy. Treat trading as a business, not a hobby or an ATM for easy money. Management of your positions is the key to be a successful trader. And remember, not being in the market is the safest position you can take as a trader. You need to understand is the only variable you can control in trading is yourself. Don't get greedy, or you will never make a profit. And commitment is the key to achieve your trading goals. I hope that you enjoyed this course. I hope it was a positive experience for you. Thank you, and see you in my next course.